In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video into your Google Sites. This is a really useful skill whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or just sharing a hobby. Embedding videos can enhance your site and make it more interactive for visitors, so let's get started. First, you'll need to go to Google Sites. If this is your first time using Google Sites, you can easily find it by typing Google Sites into your browser search bar. Alternatively, you can visit sites.google.com directly. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can create and edit your site. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to set one up first. It's fast and free, and it will give you access to all the features Google Sites has to offer. Now that we're on Google Sites, you'll want to open the site you're editing or start a new one by clicking the plus icon for a new site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Google Sites offers a clean layout that's user-friendly, even for beginners. Next, direct your attention to the menu on the right side of the page. You will see several options like text, image, and embed. For our purposes, we need the Insert section. Click on it and then select YouTube from the drop-down menu. This opens a new window where you can choose to either search for a video directly or, more conveniently, paste the YouTube URL of the video you wish to embed. If you're pasting a URL, make sure you've copied it accurately from YouTube beforehand. Once you've pasted the link into the provided field, a thumbnail preview of the video should appear. This is a good indicator that everything is working correctly. Before you proceed, double-check that the video loaded is the one you intend to share. If all looks good, go ahead and click Insert to place the video into your Google site. After inserting, you'll see the video on your page. You can now move and resize it just like any other element on Google Sites. Drag it to your desired location and feel free to use the blue handles to resize it to fit your layout perfectly. Embedding a video like this allows for seamless playback directly from your site. Your visitors won't need to leave the page to watch it, enhancing the overall user experience. Finally, when you're satisfied with the placement and size of your video, click on the preview button at the top right of the screen. This lets you view your site as a visitor would see it, ensuring that everything appears just the way you want. If all looks good, don't forget to hit the Publish button to save all your changes, making them live for your audience to enjoy. And there you have it. Embedding a YouTube video into your Google site is as easy as pie. Remember, a well-placed video can really transform your site by making it more engaging. So feel free to experiment with different content until it feels right. Thanks for watching and happy site building.